Hi, I'm Mandy.
I'm Rachel.
And I'm Christina. And we're the
WAYWARD
Nightingales.
And we're musicians. We've all been playing music for most of our lives, really. And we formed this group about 12 months ago. Mutual interests in songwriting and collaborating.
Generally, like someone sees a song or writes a complete song on the guitar with the lyrics, and then brings it to the others, and then we sort of contribute our different bits and pieces. We're
instrumental bits.
Quite big on harmonies, 3-part harmonies, so they just kind of evolved that way.
I guess we're kind of a collection of everything we listen to. So sit somewhere between country and folk with a touch of bluegrass.
Aspiring towards more bluegrass.
And this and that.
A bit of Irish trad. It's very much, and the songs that we're creating are kind of in the storytelling tradition, I guess, as well. And then we just bring those elements in.
I think Mandy and Rach, we joke, definitely have a lot of mutual musical inspirations, like the Waves.
Gillian Well.
Be Good Tanyas.
Oh,
yeah, for sure.
Or that alt country.
Yeah.
Personally, I kind of have a lot of blues influences, so it's all kind of a bit of a melting pot.
Well, anyone that enjoys our kind of music, really. I feel like it's not necessarily age or type of person specific. We seem to get all types of people who like it.
Yeah, we've got children, and so we play.
I don't like it. I like some of it. I'm quite opinionated about what they do and don't like.
It's a really wide spectrum, isn't it?
Yeah, for sure.
And that's just offered up.
It's a chance to create together. Like, I just feel, what I get from creating with these two women is above everything else, really. It's just I think it's brought a lot to each of us individually. It's good fun and it's inspiring musically and
fulfilling that, having that creative outlet.
I think just like a continued exploration of different ways of collaborating musically with each other, and
talked about trying to do a few of our favourite festivals across the country. That would be
it's definitely like a goal in the next kind of year or so.
And also evolving probably just that songwriting process.
We're the WAYWARD Nightingales, and we are raw artists.